Hello and thank you for joining me today on my submission of Project 1 Wikipedia page. The first requirement, the entry page. It's required in the URL to have /wiki and then the title of the page. Also, if the page doesn't exist, it brings us to the different page that says 404 can't find this page. The second requirement is for the index page. It should have a list of all the entries, which should also be clickable, and when you click on it, you are going directly on an entry page. The third requirement is for the search. If the query matches the name of the encyclopedia entry, the user should be redirected to the entries page. If the query does not match the name of the encyclopedia entry, the user should instead be taken to the search result page that displays a list of all encyclopedia entries that have a query as a substring. For example, if the search query were Py, then Python should appear in the search result. Clicking on any of the entries' name on the search result page should take the user to the entries page. The fourth requirement is for creating a new page. Clicking Create a new page in the sidebar should take the user to a page where they can create a new encyclopedia entry. Users should be able to enter a title for the page, and in the text area should be able to enter the Markdown content for the page. Markdown content looks like this, for example: title of the new page, bullet points, bold text, and italic text. When you click Save Page, the entry will be saved to the disk and you will be taken to the entries page. If you create a page which is already exists, you will get an error message. The fifth requirement is for editing existing page. On each entry page, the user should be able to click a link to be taken to a page where the user can edit that entry's Markdown content in the text area. The text area should be pre-populated with the existing Markdown content of the page. The user should be able to click a button to save changes made to the entry. Once the entry is saved, the user should be redirected back to the entries page. The sixth requirement is for random page. Clicking Random Page in the sidebar should take user to a random encyclopedia entry. The seventh requirement is for Markdown to HTML conversion. On each entries page, any Markdown content in the entry file should be converted to HTML before being displayed to the user. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.